Fundamentals of Floristic Studies and Quantitative Analysis of Plant Diversity by Jiteen Rahul. The present investigation deals with the floristic richness of the area along the National Highway, NH2. The national highways form a very important part of the economic backbone of the country. All over the world, especially in developing countries, roads are continuously increasing at a flat rate, and roadsides occupy a very broad area in most countries. Floristic investigation on national highway sides enables the identification of many types of vegetation, like tree species, shrub species, herb species, climber species, and grass species. Many types of medicinal plants are found along the national highways. Floristic survey analysis of busy NH2, National Highway 2, Dhanbad District, Jharkhand, India. It is located around 12 kilometers from the main city of Dhanbad. Dhanbad city is the coal capital of India, very rich in various types of natural resources. The diversity of plant life is an essential underpinning of most of our terrestrial ecosystems. Humans and most other animals are almost totally dependent on plants, directly or indirectly. Floristic inventory of floral diversity along the National Highway 2, Dhanbad, Jharkhand State, India, has revealed a total of 139 Angiosperm taxa under 121 genera and 50 families, 2 Gymnosperm taxa under 2 genera and 2 families, and 2 Pteridophyte taxa under 2 genera and 2 families. Overall, among the angiosperms, the Fabaceae family was recorded as the dominant family. All 30 recorded families were monotypic, a family represented by a single species. Among genera, Solanum, 5 spp, Cassia, 4 spp, Euphorbia, Ficus, and Ipomea, 3 spp, each, Acacia, Cleome, Calotropis, Murraya, and Ocimum, 2 spp, each, were dominant along the national highway, and other genera represented single species. Among the total flora, the tree was reported by 33% of the total floral diversity, S, shrub 17, 11%, H, herb 51, 36%, ST, small tree 7, 5%, F, fern 2, 1%, CT, cactus tree 1, 1%, SS, small shrub 8, 5%, CS, cactus shrub 1, 1%, C, climber 7, 5%, B, bulb 1, 1%, and SP, stem parasite 1, 1%. A total of 122 plant species under 104 genera belonging to 46 families were recorded in Aspect A, 42 tree species, 14 shrub species, 42 herb species. Small tree species 6, small shrub species 7, climber species 6, bulb species 1, stem parasite 1, fern 1, cactus tree 1, and cactus shrub 1. And in Aspect B, a total of 126 plant species under 111 genera under 48 families were recorded, 42 tree species, 16 shrub species, 48 herb species. Small tree species 5, small shrub species 7, climber species 4, bulb species 1, stem parasite was not recorded in Aspect B, fern 1, cactus tree 1, and cactus shrub 1. During the floral diversity and quantitative analysis, floristic inventory and diversity assessments are necessary to understand the present diversity status of national highway side vegetation. National highways, state highways, and roadside vegetation can be managed and used to reduce road impacts not only along the roadside but also on adjoining landscapes by acting as a barrier to pollutant movement and by reducing the spread of invasive species. Quantitative analysis of plant diversity is important to understand in relation to environmental health. The proposed methods for the field survey are very simple and easy to understand. This floristic analysis investigation can help focus conservation efforts and provide a framework for research, protection, and policy applications for the road, highway, and national highway side flora, especially for endemic and threatened plants. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.